Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. So today I'm going to be opening up another doll that I got from Mercari. So a little backstory about this doll. She was one of my most looked after dolls since pretty much when I was young. She came out before I started collecting, and then basically retired the year right before we got our first doll, so I never was able to get her in store. But I was able to find a decent or good condition doll on Mercari, so we're gonna open her. Before I open her, I wanted to talk about the seller. The seller was extremely nice. I had offered a price a little lower than I guess the seller wanted. So the seller said that I could just pay I think 10 or so more dollars, and then I could get her. So she reserved it for me on Mercari, and I was able to buy her. You guys can go ahead and guess who she is. Okay, here she is. Oh, the seller packed her up with some packaging here. The seller also left a little note. And she was packaged up in bubble wrap. So if your guesses were right, I got Caroline. Here is a close-up look of her face. So she came with these two clips that are meant to match her travel outfit. She also came with the, I believe, off-brand shoes, but the seller disclosed that, and they're meant to look like the shoes that do come with her traveler's outfit. And then she comes with American Girl brand pantyhose. She is also tagged 2014. I specifically wanted a Be Forever version of Caroline because I do prefer the darker eyebrows that they gave her when they revamped her a little bit, I believe. I think that's the only change that I noticed between the historical and the Be Forever Caroline. Since she is a secondhand doll, I am going to scrub her down with a magic eraser and then also wash her hair. So this was disclosed to me before I bought her, but at the back of her head, she does have two pieces of hair that were cut. And I don't think they're really noticeable, because they tuck right into her curl, but there's one piece that's right here, and then another piece that's right here. To wash Caroline's hair, I used some baby shampoo. So the first thing I'm gonna do is soak Caroline's hair with some water, and then after that you'll see me add some of the baby shampoo through her hair, and I'm trying to be gentle while I'm working the shampoo into her hair because I don't want to use more friction to cause more tangles. And then finally I'm going to use an American Girl wired brush, and I'm going to start from the bottom and then work my way up so that I'm just not pushing all those tangles to the tip of her hair, causing more breakage. finally, I'm going to use some water to wash out all the shampoo from her hair. Here is how Caroline looks. After I finished curling her hair, I put her hair in some Dutch braids and then didn't finish braiding all the way down, so you can see some of her curls. I'm so happy with how she turned out. I do plan on probably finding a tutorial on how to like mimic her original curl, but I do like her with this hairstyle a lot. She's also wearing the coconut play outfit. We got this outfit when we recently visited the AG Annex store, so here's how the outfit looks. I like to rename most of my character dolls. I mainly keep their first names as their new middle name. So Caroline here, new name, is going to be Louisa Rose Caroline Abbott. I know that probably sounds like a mouthful, but she is named after Louisa May Alcott, who is the writer of Little Women, so I want to add a different spin on it. And then Rose is the name of one of Alcott's characters in her books. I'm so excited to finally have Caroline in my collection because I've been looking for her and wanting her for years. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye!